Introduction: Unlocking the Secret of DeepSeek and Earning with AI. Welcome, viewers. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of DeepSeek, a revolutionary platform that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to unlock incredible earning potential. Imagine being able to generate up to $25,000 in just 1 week. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, that's exactly what DeepSeek offers. Throughout this video, we'll explore the secrets behind this innovative tool and how it can transform your financial landscape. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your journey, the benefits of DeepSeek are immense. From automated strategies to data-driven insights, this platform is designed to maximize your earnings effortlessly. Stay tuned as we reveal the hidden gems of DeepSeek and show you how to leverage AI for financial success. You won't want to miss this opportunity to change your life. Step 1. Understand the basics of DeepSeek and AI integration. To embark on your journey with DeepSeek, it's essential to grasp what it is and how it integrates with artificial intelligence. DeepSeek is a cutting-edge platform designed to facilitate AI-driven income generation, allowing users to tap into advanced algorithms that analyze data and identify lucrative opportunities. AI plays a crucial role in enhancing productivity and decision-making by providing insights that would be nearly impossible to achieve manually. With DeepSeek, you can automate various processes, freeing up your time to focus on strategic decisions that drive growth. Moreover, leveraging AI tools can significantly boost your financial gain. By utilizing DeepSeek's capabilities, you can make informed choices, optimize your investments, and ultimately increase your earnings. Understanding these fundamentals will set the stage for your success as you explore the vast potential of DeepSeek and AI integration. Step 2. Set up your DeepSeek account and tools. Now that you understand the basics, it's time to set up your DeepSeek account. Begin by visiting the DeepSeek website and clicking on the registration button. Fill in the required information, including your email and password, to create your account. Once registered, verify your email to activate your account. To maximize efficiency, consider integrating essential AI tools such as data analytics software, automated trading bots, and market research applications. These tools will enhance your experience and help you make data-driven decisions. After setting up your account, optimizing your settings is crucial for better results. Customize your notification preferences to stay updated on market trends and opportunities. Additionally, explore the dashboard features to tailor your experience according to your investment goals. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to harnessing the full potential of DeepSeek and its powerful AI capabilities. Step 3. Identify lucrative niches and opportunities. In this step, we'll focus on identifying profitable niches and opportunities using DeepSeek's AI insights. Start by conducting thorough research on various markets. Utilize the platform's analytics tools to gather data on emerging trends and consumer preferences. AI can help you pinpoint niches that are not only popular, but also have the potential for high returns. Understanding market trends and analyzing consumer behavior is crucial for making informed decisions. Pay attention to shifts in demand, seasonal fluctuations, and emerging technologies that could influence your chosen niche. This knowledge will empower you to stay ahead of the competition. Additionally, DeepSeek offers a variety of income streams, from affiliate marketing to e-commerce and investment opportunities. Don't hesitate to explore these options and diversify your income sources. By leveraging AI insights and market analysis, you can uncover lucrative opportunities that align with your financial goals. Step 4. Create compelling content and offers. Creating engaging content is essential for attracting customers and driving sales. Start by understanding your target audience and their needs. Use storytelling techniques to craft relatable narratives that resonate with them. Incorporate visuals such as images and videos to enhance engagement and keep viewers interested. A unique selling proposition (USP) is crucial in your offers. Clearly communicate what sets your product or service apart from competitors. This could be exceptional quality, unique features, or unbeatable pricing. Highlighting your USP will help capture attention and encourage potential customers to choose your offering. Successful content types that drive sales include informative blog posts, engaging social media updates, and persuasive email campaigns. Consider creating how-to guides, product reviews, or customer testimonials to build trust and credibility. By focusing on compelling content and strong offers, you'll create a powerful marketing strategy that attracts customers and boosts your income through DeepSeek. Step 5. Implement marketing strategies to drive traffic to effectively promote your DeepSeek offers. It's essential to implement robust marketing strategies across various channels. Start by exploring effective platforms such as Google Ads, content marketing, and affiliate partnerships to reach a wider audience. Each channel has its strengths, so choose the ones that align best with your target market. Social media plays a pivotal role in outreach. Utilize platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to engage with potential customers, share valuable content, and promote your offers. Consistent interaction can build a loyal community around your brand. Email marketing is another powerful tool for driving traffic. Create targeted campaigns that provide value and encourage recipients to explore your offers. To streamline your efforts, consider using AI tools to automate your marketing processes. These tools can help you schedule posts, analyze engagement, and optimize your campaigns, allowing you to focus on strategy while maximizing your outreach. Step 6. Analyze results and optimize strategies. In this crucial step, it's time to analyze your results and optimize your strategies using DeepSeek. Start by tracking your earnings and performance metrics through the platform's comprehensive analytics dashboard. This feature allows you to monitor key indicators such as conversion rates, customer engagement, and overall revenue, providing valuable insights into what's working and what needs adjustment. Continuous improvement is vital in the ever-evolving market landscape. Regularly assess your strategies and be open to adapting them based on the data you gather. This proactive approach will help you stay ahead of competitors and meet changing consumer demands. Encourage yourself to experiment with different marketing tactics, content types, and promotional offers. Testing various strategies can reveal new opportunities for growth and enhance your overall performance. By analyzing results and optimizing your approach, you'll be well equipped to maximize your success with DeepSeek and achieve your financial goals. Conclusion, key takeaways, and viewer engagement. As we wrap up, let's recap the main points discussed throughout this video. We explored the fundamentals of DeepSeek and its integration with AI, guiding you through setting up your account and identifying lucrative niches. We also covered the importance of creating compelling content and implementing effective marketing strategies to drive traffic. Finally, we emphasized the need for continuous analysis and optimization to maximize your earnings. The potential for earning with DeepSeek and AI is immense, offering opportunities to generate significant income if approached strategically. Remember, success comes from understanding the tools at your disposal and adapting to market trends. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content, empowering you to unlock your financial potential with DeepSeek. Thank you for watching.